Good morning, I am Vanessa Moya, and in today's news we're going to talk about the carbon and its effects, and how the level of carbon dioxide is increasing considerably. We have been investigating about the carbon cycle and its relation with the atmosphere. Daniela is going to explain us the steps.
The carbon cycle has few steps. It starts with the CO2 used by plants for photosynthesis. The second step is consumption by animals, because carbon present in plants reach them through the food chain. The third step consists in the ocean intake. CO2 is continuously being dissolved in the water, and this remaining CO2 may be converted into carbonates. In the fourth step, we have decay and decompose. When living organisms die, their bodies decay and decompose, and they release CO2 by chemical reactions. And after that, fossil fuels are created after millions of years. Using fossil fuels for industrial purposes as an energy source and also as raw material. The carbon emissions are the fifth step, and they occur when these fuels are burned and they release CO2. And the last step is respiration by plants and animals, because CO2 is usually returned into the atmosphere by this process. The carbon cycle involves many chemical reactions. The first chemical reaction that we are all familiar with is cellular respiration, in which oxygen is used to break down carbohydrates, which result in energy, carbon dioxide, and water, and it is classified as a double replacement. A second reaction that we can find in this cycle is combustion, that is present in the burning of fossil fuels, gasoline, and coal that emit CO2. And the last reaction that we can find in this cycle is photosynthesis, that is the process that plants use to transfer solar energy and carbon dioxide into carbohydrates, and it is classified as a single replacement reaction.
Thank you, Daniela. Your information was very useful for us. Let's go now with the meteorological report presented by Karen.
Report. We're going to talk about the causes and effects of the increased level of CO2 in the atmosphere and how it has increased in the past year. The causes are burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, respiration, the use of vehicles, and the amount of industries. The effects are global warming, greenhouse effect, water and air pollution, health problems, excess of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and transformation in the world. Actually, the CO2 level is 394.28 parts per million, but from 2000 to 2012 it has increased 24.61 parts per million. The chemical reaction involved in the atmosphere is
In conclusion, we can say that carbon dioxide is useful, but it's also harmful for the planet because it's generating the greenhouse effect, and this is increasing the temperature on the planet, and that is not good.
In some point, global warming is good, because without it, we wouldn't have the right conditions for us to live. But in this case, we have it in extreme conditions, and I should say that the CO2 emissions are increasing considerably through the passes of years, and we need to stop it because it is affecting our health, our environment, and we don't know what will happen in the future if we don't stop this. Thank you.